Hey guys, it's Courtney with S&K Designs, and today I'm showing you how I created these custom composition notebook covers. You see here I have 3 composition notebooks, which I believe I bought from Walmart, and I'm going to show you how I applied these custom covers onto them. The paper that I used was the Koala Inkjet sticker paper, and I sized my design 7 by 10 inches. Here you see me cutting out one of the designs. You can also apply a holographic sheet to the cover or the clear self-laminating sheet, and it just helps the cover to last longer and not to scratch so easily. These are kind of cute and fun for the kids to take to school so it can last throughout the school year. So yeah, here I am cutting out the design, and just watch as I assemble and see how my process goes. guys, so here is the finished product. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. And to order, you can visit my website at skcustomparties.com.